lesson, parabolas in standard form. The equation for graphing parabolas in standard form is f of x, or y, equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And the first step in graphing parabolas is you have to see if a is greater than 0 or if it is less than 0. If a is greater than 0, the graph opens up. If it is less than 0, the graph opens down. After that, it's necessary for you to find the axis of symmetry using the opposite of b over 2a. And then, step number 3, to find the vertex or the central point of the parabola, you use substitution to find y. That is to say, by using this x, you plug it in to find this. Nice of you to join us, Paul. Sit down. After finding the vertex, you should find the y-intercept, which is always located in this area. And then the last step in graphing parabolas is use symmetry to graph the parabola.
Mrs. Griffith, I thought math was numbers, not letters.
Oh, yeah.
So, for our example,
first step, we need to find out if the graph opens up or down. Since a is 1/2, which is greater than 0, the graph opens up. Next step is finding the axis of symmetry using the opposite of b, which is -1 over 2 times 1/2. And when you do this, you get -1 over 1, which in turn equals -1. Next step is finding the vertex by using substitution. Plug -1 in the cracks right here and also right here. And when you do all of this out, you get y equals 2.5. So that means your vertex equals -1 in the x spot, 2.5 in the y spot. After finding the vertex, you must graph the y-intercept, which in this case is 3. So we're going to go 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's our y-intercept. Next, use symmetry to graph the parabola. Good job, class! We just graphed our first parabola. And an easy way to remember this is by a catchy tune.
Touching me, touching you.
Up or down, bum bum bum. Axis of symmetry. Opposite B, over to A. Vertex by substituting y-intercept symmetry. Now the whole class now. Up or down, bum bum bum. Axis of symmetry. Opposite B, over to A. Vertex by substituting y-intercept symmetry. Woo! Okay. Now, class.
Nope, we're still going.
This is used in everyday life. Does anyone have any real life examples that they can bring up?
I have a slinky.
Bring it up, Kel. Hey.
Okay, Paul, your turn. I guess so.
So, for examples, we have a slinky, the Missouri Arch, a roller coaster, a bridge, and the McDonald's Ark. Also, another way this is used in real life is whenever something is thrown into the atmosphere,
Like your balls.
it lands, which makes a parabola. And that concludes today's lesson. Hope you learned a lot.
I don't need this.